So the Alt-A screen looks something like this. At the top you will see a list of information that has been identified. The first line shows the COM port number that has been found for the communication. The second line is a controller that's been found that is inside the stepper motor control box. This is actually a bridge between the USB and the individual motor drive controllers. The two motor drive controllers are called RMS-1265, and it's indicating that it's found two axes, one of which is at address 50, one is at address 52, and that is the correct address sequences. If you've got anything other than that, there's a problem that needs to be investigated. The next box down allows you to set and investigate some of the things that may be going on. We'll notice at the top you've got a combo box with the first device address, which is shown up here. Its identification is an RMS-1265, and this is a code that indicates to me what the version number of that particular processor is. The processor has an EEPROM, which it reads when it first starts up. If there's any corruption to that EEPROM, it may not start up correctly, so it's important to know what that information actually is. If you do have a problem, we may be able to investigate it on your behalf if we know what this data actually says. If the address is incorrect, it can be changed, again by using this box here and the submit button, but unless there's a good reason to change the addresses, there's no need to do that. If we drop this box down, you will see that the two addresses are there. If we look at address number 52, the EEPROM data is indicated on the lower box there. So that is the Alt-A screen. It's used to establish that you've got the correct communication ports, that it can find an appropriate USB to controller board, and that the two individual control axes are correctly positioned. And we can close that box with the cross key.